Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Ocean and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Suunto application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it. Okay, and once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now, tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, scroll down, find the option called Manage Connection. Once you find it, tap on Forget, and the watch will disappear from the app. Now, we can close the Suunto application, and just in case, we can check the Bluetooth settings and check if the watch was right here on the list of paired devices. It shouldn't be here, but just in case, check it. And if it is here, you can tap on the device itself or the settings icon next to it, and then tap on Unpair or Forget, because it's gonna be probably called Forget, and then it will basically disappear from this list and you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.